How does a domestic violence protective order, DVPO, protect you? A domestic violence protective order, DVPO, can provide lasting protection, typically for up to 3 years. This legal order restricts your abuser from contacting or approaching you and ensures your safety. 1. A DVPO legally requires the abuser to stop all forms of abuse and threats. 2. It may grant you custody of children or require the abuser to vacate shared living spaces. 3. Violating a DVPO is a criminal offense, which could lead to arrest and penalties. Need help with a domestic violence protective order? Reach out to Tim Hendrix at Tim Hendrix Law PLLC today. Visit www.timhendrixlaw.com.